Hey guys, so tonight I'm making chicken jambalaya. Normally I would put chorizo in there, but I'm not going to because that just adds to the points and the calories. So I'm going to show you my skinny version of the jambalaya. So I'm going to use 1 pound of chicken and I'm going to chop it up into little cubes. That's about 13 ounces. And if I go over the pound of chicken, not a big deal because it's 0 points and it just adds more filler. And just chop it up in little cubes like that. Another 6 ounces, so that's a little over a pound. This will be perfect. Okay, so next I'm going to set my Instant Pot to the saute mode. And I'm just going to let that start like that. I'm going to add
Stop talking.
a little bit of olive oil. Sorry, my son's telling me to stop talking. George, remember I'm doing a video. So we're going to put all the chicken in here and just brown all the sides of it. Just like that. Okay, so I'm just kind of scraping it around in there as it cooks until all sides of the chicken are white. They don't have to be fully cooked, just until they are white. Okay, so this is what it's supposed to look like with all sides white. It's perfect. Now I'm gonna pull it all off and put it to the side. I just put it on a paper plate here.
I have some goldfish.
Okay, so now that the veggies are nice and soft and onions are translucent, I'm going to add 2½ teaspoons of garlic. I just used this minced garlic by Spice World, it's called. I'm going to mix that around. Okay, so now that we have all of that cooked up, we are going to add 3/4 of a cup of chicken broth, 1 can of diced Hunt's tomatoes. These are 0 points. And I'm using a 15-ounce can, basically, which is plenty. I'm going to use 1 cup of long grain rice, 3 sprigs of thyme, 2 bay leaves, a tablespoon of Creole seasoning. Last time I used 2 tablespoons and it was just a little bit too salty, so I'm cutting it down to 1 tablespoon. And then you're going to add your chicken back in. You're going to mix all that up. Good and mixed up in there.
Good, 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 good.
And you're gonna put your lid on your pressure cooker,
Won't I cook here?
or your Instant Pot, I should say. Make sure that the valve is in the closed position, which it is. I'm gonna switch it from saute over to pressure cook, cancel, pressure cook, and you're gonna do it for 10 minutes. And it'll automatically start after it warms up. So we'll see what the end result is. It's tasty. Okay, it's done. And this is what it looks like after it's all cooked. I'm gonna find the bay leaves in here because you don't eat those. And I'm gonna pull those out. And then it's good to eat. Okay, so here's the jambalaya. Taste test. Oh my God. It's fantastic. You've got to try it.